Welcome to Quiz on the Road. Today, get ready to test your knowledge with 30 fun and challenging questions on capitals and currencies from across the world. Let's get started. What is the capital of Colombia? Is it Medellin, Bogota, Cali, or Cartagena? The answer is Bogota. The taka is the currency of which country? Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, or Nepal? Taka is the currency of Bangladesh. What is the capital city of Morocco? Is it Casablanca, Marrakesh, Rabat, or Fez? The answer is Rabat. Which country uses the dinar? Is it Iraq, Saudi Arabia, Turkey, or Egypt? The answer is Iraq. What is the capital of South Africa? Is it Johannesburg, Pretoria, Cape Town, or Bloemfontein? Capital of South Africa is Pretoria. The euro is the official currency of which of these countries? Switzerland, Norway, Germany, United Kingdom. The answer is Germany. What is the capital city of Thailand? Is it Chiang Mai, Phuket, Bangkok, or Pattaya? The answer is Bangkok. Which country's currency is the lira? Is it Italy, Turkey, Greece, or Cyprus? The answer is Turkey. What is the capital of Algeria? Is it Oran, Constantine, Algiers, or Annaba? The capital of Algeria is Algiers. The dirham is the currency of which country? Qatar, UAE, Oman, or Bahrain? The answer is UAE. What is the capital of Sri Lanka? Is it Colombo, Kandy, Gale, or Jaffna? Capital of Sri Lanka is Colombo. Which country's currency is the zloty? Is it Poland, Czech Republic, Slovakia, or Hungary? Zloty is the currency of Poland. What is the capital of Greece? Is it Thessaloniki, Athens, Patras, or Heraklion? The answer is Athens. Which country uses the bolivar? Is it Venezuela, Panama, Ecuador, or Bolivia? The bolivar is used in Bolivia. What is the capital of Vietnam? Is it Ho Chi Minh City, Hanoi, Da Nang, or Nha Trang? The capital of Vietnam is Hanoi. We are now at the halfway mark. Have you hit the subscribe button yet? The kyat is the currency of which country? Myanmar, Laos, Cambodia, or Bhutan? Kyat is the currency of Myanmar. What is the capital city of Bulgaria? Is it Plovdiv, Varna, Sofia, or Burgas? The answer is Sofia. Which European country uses the marka historically before adopting the euro? Finland, Estonia, Denmark, or Switzerland? The country that used marka was Finland. What is the capital of Nepal? Is it Pokhara, Kathmandu, Viratnagar, or Lalitpur? The answer is Kathmandu. Which Asian country uses the dong as its currency? Is it Vietnam, China, North Korea, or Thailand? The answer is Vietnam. Several countries use a currency called the dollar. Which of these is not one of them? Australia, Singapore, Canada, Brazil. Brazil doesn't have a dollar currency. What is the capital city of Uzbekistan? Is it Samarkand, Bukhara, Tashkent, or Namangan? The capital city of Uzbekistan is Tashkent. The som is the currency of which Asian country? Is it Tajikistan, Kyrgyzstan, Afghanistan, or Pakistan? The answer is Kyrgyzstan. The dinar is a currency used by multiple countries. Which of these does not use the dinar? Serbia, Jordan, Tunisia, Thailand. The answer is Thailand. What is the capital city of Cyprus? Is it Limassol, Larnaca, Nicosia, or Paphos? The answer is Nicosia. The leu is the currency of which European country? Romania, Moldova, both Romania and Moldova, or Albania? The answer is both Romania and Moldova. What is the capital city of Bolivia? Is it La Paz, Sucre, Santa Cruz, or Cochabamba? The answer is La Paz. Which country in the Americas uses the quetzal as its currency? Is it Guatemala, Honduras, El Salvador, or Nicaragua? The answer is Guatemala. What is the capital of Jamaica? Is it Montego Bay, Kingston, Ocorios, or Negril? The answer is Kingston. And finally, which North American country uses the peso as its currency? United States, Canada, Mexico, or Cuba? The answer is Mexico. And that's the end of today's quiz. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments or challenge a friend to beat your score. Don't forget to subscribe for more quizzes and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for playing.